place, I already made reservations. Nobody stands in the way of my plans, I ain't got that kind of patience. The end of the week, I turn to a freak, go out and forget all my cares. Putting my hands in the air, looking so good from my heels to my hair. Good times, good vibes, I wanna be in the spotlight. Turn up, no lies, doing whatever I like. Nothing but music is filling the air, moving my body so everyone stares. This is my moment, all eyes on me. I'm at the dance, so bring it like me.
We had some beautiful panas yesterday in the group stages. The youth, the women's competition, the pro division. And this is Pannahouse Invitationals 2023. Let's make some noise! Here we go! This is it. Can you believe it? He's having some fun, enjoying the ball. He gives him the pana. Trying to find some space. She did it!
Second time she's a 1 second. Here we go!
He gets the first one. These boys are bringing the heat. Tommy was ready. That's a goal.